Welcome to the DEWALT National Service Centre. Here we specialise in the service and repair of our huge range of products. We relocated in 2016 to this fantastic new facility in Spennymoor. This has provided us with a clean modern space, not only to accommodate the service centre, but also a consumer-friendly location for our DEWALT outlet store.
Our upgraded location has allowed us to improve our service to a world-class standard, and as a result we repair in excess of 15,000 products per year. From our fantastic customer service department through to our expert team of trained repair technicians, collectively we have over 150 years of DEWALT repair experience, leaving you rest assured that your tool is in safe hands.
Our professional team of technicians are aided by our state-of-the-art testing equipment, which allow for an accurate and quality repair, enabling us to consistently maintain a high standard. All parts used in our repairs are genuine DEWALT spares, ensuring both the highest quality and perfect fit every time. We also offer a best-in-class 6-month warranty for every tool that is repaired here.
We are committed to our promise of 5-star service, quality, convenience and speed. Having our tools back in action in the fastest time possible is our prime objective. Subject to parts availability, the repair itself should not take more than 48 hours. We ensure a smooth, seamless repair process with 4 easy steps.